my name is Kyle Kramer. I work sales here at Hüify. Today we're going to jump into HubSpot Enterprise and how to A/B test with CTAs and the value behind that. All right, guys, we're starting out here in the HubSpot dashboard. The first thing you're going to do is go to Content and then Calls to Action. So this will, of course, bring you to the Calls to Action page, and we're going to just go like we normally would to create a CTA. We'll come here, just for the purpose of this example, we'll just call it Test. This is normally where you set up all the colors and make your CTA exactly the way you want to look. We'll give it a generic address. Perfect. And then hit Create the CTA. So that will put your CTA right here under New Call to Action. Nothing abnormal or new about that. So then after there, you'll go to this individual CTA and create a variation of that. So you do that by clicking the gear wheel on the right and then clicking Create a Test Variation. Start out here, you see it pulls up the clone of the same CTA. We'll come over and change the color of that to be maybe red is going to be higher clicked, change the verbiage in most cases to, test 2 here, just for example. And then we'll go back, make sure the web address and all that is good, and then create CTA. So when it brings you back to the screen, you'll notice that these two are filed under the same variation test group. What that means is that these two CTAs will alternate on views for different users. So what you can do here is let those run on the site for any amount of time, given time. We usually like to do 2 to 3 months. Sometimes 1 month will show results or results that hold water based on the traffic levels. But then you can see which CTA is driving the most results. For example, on our site, you see some of these here we have turned off because they weren't doing great. But we had these 2 variations, one doing much better than the other at 1.13 compared to 0.63. And yeah, so that's just an example there of how just a change in color and size and verbiage can really create different results via CTA. Awesome, guys. So you should now have all the information that you need to A/B test with CTAs on the HubSpot Enterprise platform. Please check out our other videos and subscribe below.